Hello, I'm Boli, and it's Boli's Korean. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. A follower named Town Prior on my Instagram asked me about how to make clear sound in Korean. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. Thank you, Town Prior. Also, if you have any questions about Korean, you can leave a comment on my channel or on my Instagram so that I can deal with. Korean consonants can be used initial, final, or both. And their clear sound has a little bit different way of pronunciation. Among those, especially initial clear sound requires your tongue to move while making the sound. So if a word or a sentence has a lot of clear sound, your mouth goes totally crazy, like 따르르릉, 따르르릉, 랄랄랄라, 랄랄랄라. Let's talk about clear sounds in detail. To master clear sounds correctly, a couple of steps are needed. The first step is about your tongue position. The second step is timing and how to pronounce. Step number 1. This is about your tongue position. The position of the two clear sounds are exactly the same, which is here. No teeth. Here. So this is your tongue. So it would be the back of your teeth. Put your tongue as if you pronounce T in English. D. This is just the position. And here the point is that your tongue must touch the ceiling. Finding the right position is just getting ready for your sound. So don't make the sound yet. Getting ready. Step number 2 is the timing and how to pronounce. And the second step is quite important to remember as it is different for initial clear and final clear. Final clear sound is easier to make, so let's try it first. After pronouncing the preceding initial consonant and mid-ear vowel sounds together, place the tip of your tongue back of your teeth, making the sound. For example, 달, 딸, 별, 불. Initial clear sound is the tricky one that people find difficult. The tip of your tongue should go this place. Place your tongue in the right place, the back of your teeth touching the ceiling, and we will make the sound dropping your tongue. At this point, the tip of your tongue should slide the ceiling a little bit. This is very important to slide like this. Can you see that? This sliding will definitely make you sound native. 라디오, 라면, 러시아, 로마, 레몬, 달, 딸, 돌, 말, 물, 갈고리, 갈비, 하늘, 돌다, 로봇, 리듬, 레몬, 로마, 할머니, 노래, 머리, 다리. I hope it's understandable. 할머니 같은 라디오에서 노래가 흘러나와요. 할머니는 흥얼거리며 노래를 따라 불러요. 할머니 같은 라디오에서 노래가 흘러나와요. 할머니는 흥얼거리며 노래를 따라 불러요. I really hope this content is understandable and helpful. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.